Hi, my name's Rob Warner, and we've had 3 previous videos looking at different aspects of Dixerit Plus and how that can really help your website to reach blind, visually impaired users that W3C compliance alone just can't reach and can't help. We've already looked at how you can read text just by pointing at it and clicking the button or using an Alt shortcut key. We've looked at how you can read a list of links and navigate around the website using a numbered link list rather than having to understand the visual layout of the screen. We've also used the magnification tool, which can be very, very important for some groups of visually impaired. Today we're going to have a look at the contrast tool. The contrast tool is also important, particularly for users who suffer from dyslexia. It's becoming increasingly common for users and for websites to provide more than one version of the contrast of their website, so they provide more than one colour scheme, usually 2 or 3 different colour scheme options that help dyslexic users in particular who suffer from screen shake with some of the normal high contrast websites. The problem with that approach is that 2 or 3 options don't necessarily suit every individual person. They can only ever cater for the 2 or 3 common combinations and hope that that works. The contrast tool that comes with Dixerit Plus goes far, far beyond that. What it actually allows you to do is to choose from any one of 20 different combinations of colours and vary the degree of tint that's on those colours. Right, now that's finished downloading, we'll quickly run it. As you see, the contrast tool is less than a megabyte to download, so most public libraries or any kind of broadband environment, it's no problem whatsoever. It takes a few seconds to come down to your screen. Okay, what we've immediately seen is the screen has acquired a yellowish tint to it. Now that's particularly important. That will help some users to see this screen better. And we can, of course, change that to, let's go for a blue overlay. And if I want, I can now change the colour depth and the intensity of that overlay to suit my individual needs. This becomes very, very important because different website designs with different colour schemes of their own may require different coloured overlays. And we've actually got in an extended palette here 20 total different colourways that you can use to change the tint of the screen and stop it reflecting and shaking for a particularly dyslexic user. And it stays active, as with the magnification tool that we looked at before. The contrast tool will stay active while ever you have it open, even if you're not using your browser. So again, if you're working on the internet and then you want to go into Word or any other Office application, the magnification and contrast tools stay alive. So you can see, it's very, very simple, very, very easy to vary, and each individual user gets the best possible colour scheme for them on the website or whatever they're looking at that time. It's not dependent on your web designers picking the 3 or 4 best guesses that they've got as to colour schemes that might help. It allows the individual to get the absolute possible best experience for them. Well, I hope that you found that useful. Thank you very much for now, and goodbye.